Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. Mathematics for beginners, arithmetic. It is class 11. Title of this class is Types of Fraction. We on the previous class we learned about definition of fraction and parts of fraction. Here we want to explain about types of fraction. In generally fractions are divided into two parts. Number one, common fraction. Number two, decimal fraction. We want to define this fraction. Number one, definition of common fraction. Definition of common fraction. A common fraction is a fraction in which numerator and denominator are both integers. For example, do 2 by 5, 7 by 4, etc. Those fractions which numerator and denominator both of them are integers, natural number like 1, 2, 3 and so on. They are called common fraction. Here we have types of common fraction. Types of common fraction. A common fraction is divided in the following parts. Proper fraction. Number two, improper fraction. Number three, mixed fraction, equivalent fraction, equivalent fraction, and unit fraction. Unit fraction. Unit fraction. They are parts of common fraction. First one, proper fraction. Proper fraction. The proper fraction are those where the number, the numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 8/9, 2/3, 7/8, 11/20, and etc. They are proper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator. Here we have 8, here we have 9. 8 is less than 9. 2 is less than 3, 7 less than 8, 11 less than 20. These are all called proper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction the improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator happen to be greater than the denominator. It is the definition of improper fraction. For example, 9/8, 5/4, 6/2, 27/15, etc. They are improper fraction because the numerator is greater than denominator. 9 greater than 5, 8, 5 greater than 4, 6 greater than 2, 27 greater than 15, and etc. Here we want to explain mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is a combination of the integer part and a proper fraction. This also called mixed number. Mixed numbers or mixed numerical. Numeral. For example, 3, 2 by 3, we can read as like this: 3 and 2/3, or we can read as 3, we can read as 3 2 by 3 2 by 3 3 2 by 3. Here this is integer. It is an integer, and here we have a proper fraction. 2 is less than 3. 2 is proper fraction. We read as 3 to 3 and 2 by 2/3. We can read as like this, or we can say that 3 2 by 3. This fraction can be written as 2 plus 3 plus 2 by 3, or we can write as like this. Both of them same. They have same meaning. They are same. Now we want to define equivalent fraction. Two fraction are equivalent to each other if after simplification either of two fraction is equal to the other one. For example, 2 by 3 and 4 by 6, they are equivalent. Fraction. Here we show these two fraction in geometric figures. See, here we have one whole circle. We divided by three parts, 1 2 3, but from 3 parts we took 2 parts, 1 2. Actually it is the quantity which we take. It is a section of the fraction. Here that circle, one circle which is called whole, it is divided by 6. From 6 we took 4, 1 2 3 4. Actually they are same quantity. These 4 parts of this whole and these 2 parts of this whole, they are same. These are the same quantity. Because of that, we say that 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. Unit fraction. We want to define this concept. A fraction is known as unit fraction when the numerator is equal to 1. It is the definition of unit fraction. Every fraction which its numerator is 1, we call unit fraction. Example number 1. Example 1. For example, 1 half of whole. 1 half of whole. It is equal to 1 by 2. Number 2. 1/3 of whole. It is equal to 1 by 3. Number 3. 1/4 of whole. It is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Number 4. 1/5 of whole is equal to 1 by 5. They are unit fraction. Thank you.